In the United States, there's two ways that a person can become a United States citizen at birth. They say by blood or by being born on U.S. soil. So if you have a parent that's a United States citizen, you could acquire United States citizenship, and then if you were born in the United States, you can acquire citizenship by birth on United States soil. For some people, though, their parents might be lawful permanent residents and might later become complete the process for naturalization to become a citizen. If that process happens before a child turns 18, the child can actually acquire citizenship from their parents. And so we had a person ask in our Facebook group, ask about this. And so it's pretty fact specific. And so if you're going through a process, if you're a lawful permanent resident and you'll be naturalizing and you have children that are under the age of 18, definitely consult with an immigration attorney to see if your children can become citizens automatically. And so that's something that we help with as well at our firm, and we'd be happy to talk with you about whether or not that's an option for your children.